This is an example of a preferred stock convertible. So I've got some data from a word problem. Sometimes they're shown like this and sometimes they're in a word problem. In any event, this is for a demonstration of how to solve the convertible preferred stock. Compute the diluted earnings per share. So I have to start with basic EPS equals net income minus preferred stock dividends over weighted average common shares. And what I have is 300,000 minus a preferred stock dividend. So my preferred stock dividend is going to be $5 per share, and I have 5,000 shares. So I am going to have 25,000. So we could do that either on the side or we could do it in our calculator. We calculate our preferred stock dividend. And our weighted average common shares, they remain the same at 50,000. Okay. Now diluted, we have the numerator and the denominator. So I start out with the numerator, and my numerator for this particular conversion is the net income minus nothing. So the preferred stock dividend is crossed out. So if you had a result of 275, you would have to add the 25,000 to it. You're going to have only the net income without any of the preferred stock dividends. So we're going to have 300,000. So we eliminate the preferred stock. I like to write it out and then draw an X through it, reminding me that it is the original net income available to shareholders, okay? Less the preferred stock. So I've got to get that net income amount in there. And my weighted average common shares, we started out with 50,000. And I have to add to that, if converted, number of shares. Okay, so I am going to add to 50,000. Okay, convertible shares are 2 shares of common per cumulative preferred. So that is 2 times 5. So I have 10,000. Okay, so my amount is going to be 300 over 60. And here at basic, my basic earnings per share, let me see, that was my preferred stock dividend. So my basic earnings per share was $5.50. Okay. And this one is $5. So it is dilutive. So preferred stock, we eliminate the preferred stock dividend because if we had converted our preferred stock, we would not be paying them a dividend. So we eliminate that actual dividend from the thing. So conversion dates can vary. The conversion date is an if converted, so it is as of the first of the year when you're dealing with if converted. Watch your problem if it says something was actually converted. We'll deal with that in another day. So again, the net income, the number of common stock shares plus the number if converted. In this case, it was 5,000 preferred stock would be convertible to 2 shares each. So it would be 50,000 plus 10,000. So 300 divided by 60 is 5. So this is dilutive. Okay, preferred stock.